Hi guys, so today we're going to be making some popcorn together. The first thing I did was pouring the popcorn in my plate. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm adding some sugar and I'm adding some butter and mixing all together. I'll be mixing it for a while before adding it to my oven or microwave, whichever one you want to make it with. But I'm making mine with my microwave, so I'm putting it inside now, turning on the heat for about 4 to 5 minutes. And yeah, at this point the popcorn has started popping, and this is the most exciting part of this because I love how it pops and the smell, the aroma. It's almost ready. It's giving. So after that I'm gonna wait for a while, and yeah, our popcorn is ready. Oh, I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I would love to see you guys on my next one. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also comment down below. Thank you.